We came to building these from building furniture. So the our team, that's kind of where we come from, building furniture and also kind of architectural installations. So how things work in space is something that we care a lot about. And then the fit and finish that you get out of a piece of furniture is something we care a lot about. So we came to this kind of design problem from there. And the other thing that is unique about our team is that we have such a wide range of expertise. So we're good at woodworking, we're good at metalworking, we're good at electrical, we're great at plumbing, although we have not used that in this building. Yeah, so this building, it's all those different disciplines, but instead of having like different subcontractors coming in, and it's just one team overseeing and performing the whole thing. So all the way from building the metal frame, welding it up, doing the framing, the wood framing, doing the sheathing and the insulation, doing the interior finishes, doing the siding and the roofing. That's all one team of people. The electrical. So all those things are working in concert. You don't have different people coming in and saying, okay, how am I going to fit the electrical wires through this thing the framers did? It's like, well, we had all those considerations, we were making them together. So you get a more cohesive build, I think, and hopefully a higher quality build also.